Look who's here. It's your first time being in a video. Anyways, what we about to do today, Elijah?
We outside today.
Yeah, we outside, nigga. We about to get a co-star of this shit. Real quick. Hold on. You wanna go turn it on actually? Yeah. Actually, let you turn that shit on. That shit's crazy. That's just nasty. Yeah. But I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I got some more cleaning to do in my car before we go to the lifestyle meet. We gotta wake up the whole neighborhood. Saturday morning, wake them all up. Wake everybody up.
Oh, yeah. This is crazy. Let me tell you, when you first did this, right? On Snap, it sounds nothing like it does in person.
Like, is that like a bad thing or like?
Nah, I'm just saying videos don't do it justice. Like, Snap, you can tell you did something different, but in person, it's crazy.
Like, person how? Like, is it like deeper or like?
Just loud all around, like more aggressive, you know what I mean? Like, on Snap, it's like, yeah, this shit sounds crazy. But
I feel like on Snap, it sounds a little weird though.
nah.
Hey, I'm gonna give it back. Go give it this real cool. Bro, it's like
I used to smile in this car.
I say it? Like, I feel like I love this car even more. Like, I love the car, but now it's like, you know?
Yeah, nah, for sure.
It's crazy.
It's like, I used to smile a lot in this car, right? Now I'm just laughing like out of joy. Like, I'm having real fun now. Literally.
Like, every time it, like, when I shift, like, it sounds like I'm smacking somebody. It's like,
Yo, watch out, he's about to wash that car. Give me 6 months, and I'll back one of these out. Tape R might go bye-bye if I keep hanging out with this dude.
Snapple, you need to sponsor me. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Topshada, and I'm back with another video. Right now I'm using a mic on the phone because last time I already tried to make this video, it didn't came out too good, especially with all this wind. So I'm sorry if the wind noise is, kind of messing up the video. Your boy's gonna look into getting some better equipment, investing in myself. But for now, we're gonna do what we got. And as you guys know, I'm gonna be showing off everything I have done to my 2020 A90 Toyota Supra. As you know, most people be asking me what am I gonna do for the Supra, like what are my plans for the Supra, and I just tell them I don't know. I'm really going with the flow. But basically, what I really want to do is I want to have a stance look, but I also want to be able to gap your ass if you ever want to run into it in the highway. So I want to go for a half stancey look, but I still want to be able to have the speed and power to be able to push my car whenever I want to, because this is a nice, fun toy. And not only is it a fun toy, it looks so beautiful, stanced out with a little bit of camber and riding very low. You can say I drive static. I'm damn near static. I might as well be static the way I drive on these bags. But forget about all that. Let's get into the car. The wind keeps picking up, but you guys bear with me. I'm still in my work clothes. I literally just got off work, but we're dream chasing. So I'm trying to get this video out for you guys. So bear with me. My car's a little dirty. I cannot hide from all this pollen right now in Boston. We're in pollen season. And if you see me keep putting my phone to my face, it's just because I'm just trying to get into the mic so you guys can hear me, because right now the camera doesn't have a mic on it, well, at least an aftermarket one, so you guys won't be able to hear me as well. Like I said, I already tried making this video, but my surroundings didn't really help me. But let's start with the exterior of my car. So basically, let's start with the fenders. Now these are from Rex Speed. I got them off Speed Industry. Like most of the parts I've got on the Supra, I got off Speed Industry, and these are half painted, half carbon fenders. Now I believe it's just paint over carbon, but they did send them to me and the paint was kind of off, so I had to get them repainted. If you guys don't know about that, check out my older video. I think it was when the Supra got ceramic coated. But yeah, so these are Rex Speed fenders. I went with these because I didn't see nobody really rocking these, especially with a stanced out car, well, stanced out Supra. Everybody was rocking the full carbon ones, so I just decided to be different. Hey, always got to stand out, baby. Now next up on the outside of the car are these carbon door garnishes. Now this is a mod I really wanted to do from the jump of getting a Supra. I don't know, I just like the carbon over the stock color of the car. I'm not going to be going over the prices of how much I paid for everything, but if you guys do want me to go over how much I pay monthly for this, insurance, how much I spend on the parts, I can also get into depth with you guys and make a video for you guys. But for now, I'm just running through everything I've put on the car so far. So yeah, like I said, the garnishes, it was a top tier, it was a must. I had to get it, and it was about time that I finally got it, and no complaints on that. And now let's talk about the door handles and the gas cap. Now, if you guys don't know about my gas cap, I have a carbon fiber gas cap. I'm pretty sure you guys know. And I also have carbon fiber door handles. They just stick right on 3M tape. And I also got that from Speed Industry. I forgot how much I really spent, but I just like the carbon accent. It's like I had a dream of how I wanted the car to look. And right now, you guys are just basically seeing me trying to put that out here for you guys. So basically, I had a look that I wanted to get, and I've just been piecing it together all along. So yeah, carbon fiber door handles and carbon fiber gas cap is all from Speed Industry, and I will link them down below. This is not sponsored, by the way. The sun's starting to come in a little bit. But next on the list, I want to talk about my color matched side reflectors. Now I believe I also got that from Speed Industry. I don't know, I just really like, I don't know, I like what Speed Industry has, and they've been talking to me. They're good people, so I normally buy from them. But color match side reflectors, not much to really say for that, but I like those over the orange a lot better. I just like how it flows with the car. I didn't do the rear. I left the rear red because I have a lot of red going on and in the accents inside my car, like the tank, you know what I'm talking about, but in the brakes and also under the hood. But other than that, side reflectors paint matched, that was the way to go. Next up, I want to talk about my badges. Now, those are thick whip badges. I got them off his website. I don't think it's his website. I think he did it with like partnered with another website. I'm not too sure, but it was his version 1 of the matte with the paint matched badges, and I got that for the front and the rear. I liked it way better than the black and chrome stock badges. I don't know, they looked fake, but these badges are a must. He also came out with a version 2, like when you walk up to it, you can just tap your phone and your whole socials will pop up. But I didn't really go with those. I actually have to think about getting new badges soon because your boy's working on something behind the scenes. That's all I'm gonna say. Two-tone stock wheels. They were silver and black, and if you guys didn't check that video out, make sure you go check it out. I painted my wheels by myself, all black. It didn't make sense powder coating if I'm going to be getting another set of wheels later on down the road. So I just painted them black to save more money. And hey, you gotta save the bucks, my guy. But anyways, I feel like the black wheels brought out the aggressiveness in the car. It flows so much better. As the wind literally just blew my camera out the way. I don't know if it's ever gonna chill right now, but I'm gonna try to get this video out the way. Like I said, comment below, black or two-tone. Which one do you guys like better? I personally think black wheels. I'm not really a fan of black wheels all the time, but it was just the right way to go. I'm literally just trying to record a video. This camera keeps falling because it's damn wind. Now, I love this wing, not only because it's the MK4, but it just looks right. It flows with the car. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And if you guys do play GTA, I made it just like this on GTA. So it was only right I had to bring it in real life. But yes, Cybin MB style carbon wing. I didn't get this from their website. I actually got it from a Facebook dealer. He had one in stock and he was local. Sorry, I don't know why I said logo. Now, performance-wise, PSI struts and Airlift 3P management. Now, I went with them because I seen them bagging a lot of Supras and they weren't complaining about it, and it actually rides really damn good. Anybody that drives my car could tell you guys that it barely feels like I'm even on bags. But I went with them because they gave me a great deal, and I was not paying $4,000 for Airlift. I'm sorry, Airlift, but you guys don't even have camera plates, I don't think. So yeah, I didn't go with them. But anyways, besides that, if you guys do know, I have a full Tome exhaust, and that is a dual Tome. Like I said, I got that in a deal. Check my older videos, you guys can see how I got that. Now, I love the dual Tome. It's nice, it's loud, it has a great tone to it, and it also looks amazing. And especially when I'm scraping, because I drive so damn low, the car looks beautiful from the rear. My rear end look really good, and that's why I love the dual Tome. Now for my management / trunk setup, if you guys don't know who installed my bags, Lifestyle Garage, aka Steven, he's the owner of Lifestyle Garage with his other boys. They did my trunk setup. Now, it was completely his idea. I told him I just wanted trunk space, and he came up with the dual compressors sitting at the side and the tank right behind me. Now, he's the GOAT for that. He's also the reason why the tank is red. Shout out to Steven. Make sure y'all book with him. If you're trying to bag a car or do your trunk setup, hit up Steven on IG, and also call that number in that description below. Tell him I sent you. Now, let's talk about under the hood. I have a Blitz strut bar. Like I said, if you guys want to know the prices, we can go into detail of that. But I also have a HKS carbon fiber intake, and I also have a OZ Motorsports charge pipe, titanium charge pipe, and I also just installed a catalyst downpipe. And if you haven't seen that video, like I said, go check out my other videos on the channel. With that being said, I pretty much covered everything. It's a quick, slight video I just wanted to get uploaded to you guys. Now, there's a lot more I want to do to this car. Like I said, I plan on keeping this car forever, so I really want to build this. I'm just taking it step by step and enjoying the process. Other than that, this is a fun car. I think the wind is killing my sound right now. It really is killing my sound. Like, I'm really about to get tight. Like I was saying, for the wind interrupting me, for getting this car in the middle of October versus now we're in June, this is not bad. For 6 months, this is not bad. And like I said, there's still a lot I want to do to the car. So I'm literally gonna take my time. I'm not in no rush. I'm not these YouTubers with the money. This is no shade to anybody, but y'all are literally witnessing me working hard to build my dream car. If you haven't checked out my latest videos, make sure you check it out. And I don't even have an outro for you guys, but keep chasing your goals and dreams. Work hard. You know that's all I preach. I ain't even gonna hold you guys. My camera just died. But yo, the amount of times my camera fell because of this damn wind is literally pissing me off. But I want to get home to create a thumbnail and get this video out to you guys. So it's a quick little mod list of what I've got so far done to my car. I didn't really go over the carbon fiber mirrors because that came stock, but I'm liking the way it looks. Comment below if you like the way the Supra looks. And we got some things coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned, stay up to date. Make sure you follow me on IG, on TikTok. I think we got 12K on TikTok and we just hit 8K on IG. And I appreciate the support from you guys, especially the ones that came from that TikTok I made. You guys are the best. Wait, one more thing. Guys, I know you guys see the Supra, but some time ago I was dreaming about having this, and I basically spoke it into existence, and I wrote it down, and I said I was gonna have one, and look how far we came. So I just want you guys to know, you guys could do it too. Whatever you're chasing or whatever you're dreaming of, just know you can make it happen as long as you're willing to put in the work. I just wanted to put that out there for you guys, so you guys can get inspired and start chasing those dreams of yours, because there's nothing you can't do. Look at you, there's nothing you can't do. If I can do it, you can damn sure do it. So I want you guys to know that there's nothing stopping you but yourself. So don't be battling yourself. Be one with yourself. And let's get these goals. Let's knock them out the park, baby.
A little bit.